Hello, I am Dr. Pramesh and I am the Director of the Tata Memorial Hospital and the convener of the National Cancer Grid, which is a large network of 270 plus cancer centers across India working towards uniform standards of cancer care across the country. The Government of India has created the Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission, or the ABDM platform, which brings healthcare records online and is likely to improve the efficiency of hospitals by improving healthcare delivery. There are several benefits for patients as well as hospitals to adopt the ABDM framework, and I'll give you a few examples. 20 years back, we used to have almost 30% of patients treated at our hospital lose their medical records for various reasons, either misplaced, washed away in floods, lost in the train, and many other reasons for doing that. Since we adopted an electronic medical records more than a decade ago, that number is now zero. Second, sharing of patient data across doctors and hospitals will become faster, easier, and safer. Additional patient information is often critical in helping doctors, especially for complex conditions like cancer. Doctors and hospitals can begin using other features such as, for example, patient reminders, follow-up visits, electronic prescriptions, etc. Use of the ABDM platform will enable electronic submission of claims, which makes the process for reimbursement faster and more accurate. Overall, the ABDM initiative will help by saving administrative costs, time spent on each patient, improve the efficiency of the staff, and increase the overall output of hospitals and doctor clinics. But to me, the biggest advantage of systems like the ABDM is the empowerment of patients to own their own health data, retrieve it with ease, and share it with those involved in their care. And this will go a long way in improving the health of citizens of our country. The Tata Memorial Hospital and the National Cancer Grid are committed to using ABDM as an important platform for engaging with patients, doctors, and hospitals and improve cancer care across the country. Please remember that the ABDM platform is patient-centric and doctor-centric and will enable us to set international standards of healthcare.